Welcome to the Vancouver House, one of Vancouver's most iconic buildings. You've likely seen this building on the exterior, but today we're going to show you everything from the interior. Right here, this is the 25-meter pool that is heated and is accessible to all the residences year-round. This was designed by Bjarke Ingels Group, and it has a lot of these components that you may not be aware of. Vacuum sealed panels within the residence itself for efficiency savings. It has post tensioners throughout with high tensile strength concrete, triple glazed windows so that it reduces road noise. This is all high-end features, and at the time this was one of the largest LEED certified buildings of the time. It has all your high-end finishes. Obviously we have the amenity space here. We're going to take you into the 10,000 square foot gym, which is just outside here as well. You have a jacuzzi, and then the unit itself. This is high-end luxury living, and I can't wait for you to come inside, see the custom Italian Boffi cabinets, the Travertine tile, the Miele appliance package. So let's go. We're going to look at the rest of the amenities first, then we're going to get into the unit itself, which is so iconic here on the 15th floor, and then we're going to finish it up with a neighborhood tour. At the Vancouver House, refined living is what it's all about, and it is displayed here with amenities. So you've already seen the pool. We're in the gym section here, over 10,000 square feet. And in behind me, you can see the house logo here. So they do offer house classes. If you're a resident, you do get a 20% discount off the packages as well. And they have a commercial grade fitness center here with all the machines, the squat racks, up-to-date high-end machinery, as well as the dumbbells and barbells. It's a complete system here, top of the line for your luxury living. All right, we are here in unit 1501. This is one of the largest one-bedroom floor plans. They do have micro suites here in the Vancouver House under the 400 square foot marker. So we're just under 600 square feet here, and I'm going to just show you a lot of the ins and outs to show you why these units and the building itself is so unique. So obviously with the architecture of the building itself, some of the floor plans can be a little bit goofy, but here you have a nice open space that has lots of floor to ceiling windows. So what I like, just when you open up the unit itself, you have a little alcove here, and you can see that with some of the staging here, whether you want to present it with a little table or some built-ins here, you have that ability to give it a little bit more of a homey feel. I hate when you walk into condo units and it's a small little hallway. They've done a really good job in terms of widening this space. When we come into the kitchen cabinetry, this is all Italian, designed by Boffi, high-end appliance package here with Miele, and you can see here little details. This is copper, and what you're going to see is copper design work all the way through from the entry level even to some of the panels on the patios. This is done intentionally. So you have your gas burner here with the Miele cooktop, you have your Miele stove, and you can just see, I'm not sure if you can see it from home, it's barely been used. This has hardly been used. This has been very well taken care of. You have the beautiful white countertop here and a large sink, and even the little fixtures like this is all about the design here and those features of elevated living. So in around here too, something that underneath here, the cabinets, you have receptacles. So if you have appliances like hot water makers, coffee makers, they don't put anything on here just for the aesthetics. You can plug it in underneath. In terms of the cabinetry here, they go with the two tones. So you have the nice white fronts here with the black in behind. And then as we move forward here, just a lot of cabinet space here. So more than enough room to be able to facilitate everything that you need. And then underneath here, obviously, these are all soft close as well. With the dishwasher, it is integrated here as well, and it is a Miele appliance as well here. The fridge that you can see here is all nice and clean, ready to go, and it is a Miele Dynacool fridge and freezer below here. If you're wondering about some of the size dynamics here, just for reference, to show you how this is actually a really nice living space here, we have 12'6" on the width. And if we look from the front of the cabinets here to the side, we're at 10 feet. So depending on how you want to arrange your furniture, you can see how we're set up here. You do have a place for dining. You know, we have artwork here, but if you get a Samsung The Frame TV, this would act as a really nice piece of art to flow in with your decor, and then you can still have a space to have a couch. We do have space here with the couch itself, so we have a nice little love seat here, but if you want to have something more with a chase lounge, you have that. But what I love is how open this is, and it really makes the space feel a lot larger than what it is on paper. This whole unit was completely repainted before we came to market, and just little things like this where they increase the size of the ceiling. So they have a little bit of a pocket here where it reaches 8'8" here. So the drop ceiling's not as large. And again, it gives you those extra size dynamics. Some of the things that make Vancouver House what it is just how it was constructed. So this is a LEED building. It's built for efficiency. When it comes to Vancouver House, building materials were at the forefront. Case in point, all the window systems here. So these are triple paned window systems. It reduces 50% of road noise. So you don't hear anything from the road in these units. These are dead quiet. What's also unique with these units here, there's two large patios. These are larger patios than what you would see in most Vancouver units, and it is acted as a space where you can have outdoor living. So as we open up these systems, and you can just see just with how thick these systems are, they're very, very well balanced and really easy to operate here. So with the patio here, I'm going to show you some more of the building system. So in behind me, you're going to see that there's a lot of paneling on the Vancouver House. That's what it gives its shape and its iconic look. These panels are actually vacuum sealed. And again, it goes back to the LEED efficiency and the designation here. They're insulated here to help with your heating and cooling. And as you can see behind me, from this patio, you can see the North Shore Mountains. They're nice and snow-capped right here, as well as the pool. The 25-meter pool is just in behind me. Then you have the Pacific Ocean views over here as well. So you can see in this space here, whether you want to put a chase lounge, there is hookups here for barbecue. You can definitely host out on this space, and the secondary patio off the primary bedroom has another patio. But what I like about this orientation here, you have no neighbors looking at you. So in downtown Vancouver metropolitan living, you can have a building that's about 50 feet away from you. The nearest building is hundreds of feet away, and it gives you a lot of that privacy. And if you're wanting to know exactly what these dimensions are of the patio itself, 10 for 10, I just got to get this laser on here, by 7 feet. Right, so we're almost at an 80 square foot portion here. And again, when we talk about Vancouver House and the higher end living, this is all ceramic tile here. It's not just concrete. Everything here is attention to detail. And when we talk about the copper backsplash, I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but all the venting here is copper as well. So it keeps in line this design from the interior inside and out, which really makes it stand apart. Something what I really love about the design here as well, and you can see the heating venting down here below, and you have your heat pump with cooling above. This unit actually comes with two thermostats. You have one thermostat here, so you can control the temperature of your main living space. Also in the bedroom, there's another thermostat. So again, it gives you those details that you don't see in a lot of other condos, and that's why it speaks to the value and the luxury presence that this unit has. So we're going to go into the bathroom here. You do have storage options. So you have an entryway closet here that has some nice build outs in terms of closets, your shoes, and you have more than enough room for that for your guests. And again, you have that little alcove right off the front. And behind me here is going to be your washer and dryer. Again, your Miele appliance package, and it has all the functionality that you need as well. This is a showstopper in here, and this is a bathroom that has that luxurious feeling. You don't have a choice between either a shower or a bathtub here. You have both. So you have a nice soaker tub, and in here what you'll notice is this nice travertine tile all the way from the front of the bathtub, floor to ceiling, right? We want that luxury actual spa-inspired bathroom. Then again, you have this beautiful walk-in shower, so you don't have to step into your bathtub and have that shower. You have that nice spa feeling here with both. And then you obviously have your design here with your Gerbit wall-mounted panel here for your toilet. Again, elevated fixtures, and then a floating vanity here as well for all your needs in terms of your toothbrush. You have your above-mount Duravit sink, and then your medicine cabinet here, which I really like because it has the features here to be able to put your toothbrush, your makeup, whatever it may be, and then gives you some of that extra lighting here with the medicine cabinet. So a very, very large bathroom for a one bedroom. And again, it's elevated living here. This is what the theme is. So as we make our way through the main living space here, you can see that on this side, this is where you'd have your couch, just seeing it from a little bit of a different perspective here. And as you can see, if you wanted to do something, there is a lot of ways that you can manipulate the room to your liking to be able to fit, but it has a nice working space here. As we get into the bedroom here, and this is what I love, a very large size bedroom. You don't get a lot of that here in Vancouver. You have the benefits of having corner windows. So you have windows to your east that are almost floor to ceiling. And then you have this big door, again, a slider that brings a lot of natural light, and you see the North Shore winter views here with the snow-capped mountains. You have a nice space right here, whether you want to put a cabinet, a dresser to be able to accentuate, and that just shows how large the space is here. For reference, if you're wanting to see what the size is here, we have 13 foot 10 by 7 foot 10. So a very large space. And then you have these elevated ceiling heights here again at 8 foot 8. And as we go through the unit here, what you'll see, we have your own thermostat. So again, you can have your own space, your own temperatures here as well. And then through here, you do have water views. And if you're wanting some natural air, this whole panel does open up. And again, this is a huge mechanical system, very easy to operate to allow some of that natural air to come in and just to be able to take in some of the city view outside. We do have a nice cabinet space here for the closets, all custom millwork that's built in for your clothing, for your shoes. And what I love, again, when we talk about that attention to detail, these are all solid wood doors, solid core. No hollow core doors here, even on the closets. The doors here going into the rooms are solid core, so it helps with that sound, maintaining that sound and just that higher end quality. As we get into the last patio space, the second one here, it's another nice place where you can set up some chairs, take in the city landscape. You can just look at all the neighboring buildings here and the water views here as you go make your way into Falls Creek. And again, you have a lot of that privacy. You don't have neighbors peering in on you. And if you want to see what the size dynamics are here, this is 6'3" by 10 foot 10. So around 70 square feet that you have here. And again, you have your hookups here that you can put in your plugs and things of that nature as well. So again, these are those vacuum sealed panels that we're seeing here for that efficiency. We have the triple pane glazing here to help with that efficiency. So when it comes to running this unit with your heating, your cooling, it is very, very well organized and very efficient with that. So before we go outside, I did want to highlight the lobby here and some of the other amenities that you have. So you have access to 24-hour concierge here, security of your packages. And as we went from the inside of the building, right behind me, you see the copper. Those are those little details that are brought into the unit and the exterior of the building itself. So I want to show you a couple other things. You can hear the piano playing in the background. You have a little bit of a lounge up here. So if you have guests that are wanting to hang out or they're waiting to want to see you, you can make your way up here. And there's a little bit of a lounge. You can hang out with your friends, talk, whatever. But it's a little bit of details that can be missed. But because this is built as a higher end building, you have this. And again, all the copper flooring, the copper on the walls. And this is a self-playing piano here. So you have a little bit of a lounge area here for you to relax. And again, when people are coming into the building, this is what they're seeing. They're hearing this nice music as they come into your home space too. So, these are all little touches that I just love about this building, is just the quality and the detail of everything that we have here. So you're going to see where the concierge section is. There's a delivery area in behind the concierge for your packages. And we're just going to show you some of the nice murals here as well. Even how they have displayed the mailboxes here is in a particular way to show the art. You have a nice light fixture with the lobby that you saw already, and then the nice mural in behind me here. Another nice feature of this unit, because there are a lot of units, there are 5 elevator lobbies and they're split off between the types of floors. Something that's quite unique about these elevators, they're one of the fastest at the time built in Canada. So they move about 1,600 feet every single minute. So you can move up and down really easy. You're never waiting for people in line for the elevator. So now let's go outside and check some areas of the seawall and Granville Island. Obviously, when you are investing in a property, the location is so important. This is why we wanted to come here on the seawall. In behind me, you can see Vancouver House right there. So within 45 seconds, you're right here on the seawall. You have access, whether it's just going across the way to Granville Island with a water taxi, you have access to English Bay, being able to jump over to Kitts, and then obviously you can make your way over to Olympic Village that way. There's amenities galore. The Vancouver House itself has your Fresh Street Market, so you can have all your shopping for your groceries and things of that nature. And what I love about this little pocket here in Vancouver is how quiet it is. You have people that are actually active here. A lot of the transient population does not make their way into this corner. So it's a select pocket here in Vancouver where it's very safe, it's very quiet. You can come in, do your business, but still have really good proximity to the rest of the city. And then in the summer, I mean, this is the wintertime right now. You can see how beautiful it is, but you have access to the seawall year round, whether you want to take care of the Festival Lights in English Bay, second beach, third beach, you have it all here. So I'm so excited that I was able to give you this tour. If you have any more questions, make sure that you reach out. Welcome home.